Okay, we started live video here. I'm going to wake up this phone and say that it's 11/11, Monday, June 29th there, if you can see it on that. And I've got the camera, let's see here, got the other camera in the bathroom, there it is. I'm going to flip this thing around and hopefully, yeah, that'll work. Okay, so alright, so what I want to hi, Mr. Rodriguez, I think is your name, or Pedro. There you are. Alright, so now there I got the, let's wait. For the YouTube people, as I'm making two videos here, see here, how do you do this? Wake up the phone. So here is, it's again, it's whatever time, July 29th, 2020, here we are. Okay, so that one's back there. Okay, so there's never enough time to do much of everything. So I just want to show you that I think 6 years ago I made a video about this model here, which is a Portland TC 1000T. Okay, and it works. So I just want to play that. It's playing a tape. Okay, so there's a tape. Take the tape out. It's on batteries, obviously, but I still need to do something to it because it's not as well as I would like to have it before I ship it. Now, something else I wanted to explain is that I bought, let's see, I've been working on radios for quite some time now, and I have a, okay, here's a paper bag, okay, and in the paper bag is a, oh my gosh, is a 7300, or yeah, what is it? S300K, right? I'm not going to get it all out of the bag because it's in pieces, right? But that's in the bag there. And so, because I was unable to repair it, I bought another one, right? So here's another 7300K in the box, right? So here's a 7300 in the box like that, right? I bought that solely to figure out how to repair that model, right? And then in this bag here, I have a, what's in here? In here is a, it's a M7770K. And if you don't already know, I've got like 4 or 5 of them right there. I've got one in the box there. I've got another one in the box there. I really like this model, but when I took it apart and discovered how difficult it was to put it back together, in order to replace the belt, it just got put into a bag, and so there are the parts for that one. And then, just to prove that I have electricity, good electricity going to my little power cord thing here, I want to show you here a radio that I have that I saw this going on eBay for $450, and I paid, well, paid pretty much for this. You can't hear it, I know, but the motor's running, so it needs a belt. Okay, I can replace the belt. It just matters do I have the right size belt for this. But if I put it on radio briefly, see, radio. That's the wrong button.
Ride the Beltway, elitist.
It works. All right,
and in terms of elitist, I don't mean in Robert's case arrogant.
I don't know what we're going on. So
but I mean he's in the club.
Turn that off. Unplug that. So I know I got good power here. All right. So there's that one. That's a fancy model. And then what else I want to show? Okay, so I've talked about the that one in this bag, that bag. Oh, okay, right. So now in this plastic container, okay, is a, I don't know if you can, let me see if I can see this in the Facebook thing or not. Yeah, you can. Okay, barely. All right. So here, that says Sanyo M7900. All right. And this is one that I took apart a long time ago. And there is, well, let's see here. Got a lot of extra stuff in here. Some, what? Here, put this down. We got tapes, more tapes, plastic bag of parts, and there it is. There's a 79. I'm not going to get it out. It's there, and here's the original box to my microphones I like to use. It's a Realistic 33-1065. That's my favorite little microphone for when I do that. But anyway, there's a box to that, and so it's just got. Anyway, so all the parts are there for it. And to help keep it all together, I decided I'd start buying these plastic boxes and put everything in them. All right, so, but this is stored in the other room. Let me just put this here out of the way. Okay. So that 7900 is an AKA of this right here. All right, got that? All right. So now, the thing is that I'm having a huge problem with is that back in 2015. I bought this right here, and I bought it from California in 13 October 2015, so 5 years ago, a little bit less than 5 years ago. I bought this, and so I'm going to unbox this in this happy little video, all right, because I still have, well, still have so many other boxes to unbox. So I'm going to sit here. Like I said, I got a power cord, and I got a demonstration tape if it works, and I got scissors, and I've taped off the address, and it's a little bit loose in there, but never been opened. Okay, so it's like that, pretty well packed, I think, and I've already taken pictures of it, so I'm just gonna carefully open that up and open this up. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I've sold that Portland. Portland's been sold. So it's been, what, 5 years or something like that? And, you know, I've got radios going back years. Of course, now some of the radios I've gone back years I have sold. And people are still asking me questions about, hey, you want to sell that? Well, like someone today asked a question in one of my Decent Man For You videos. Wanted to know, is that radio from 2012 has been sold, or is it for sale? What's the price? It's like, hey, I've already sold that thing. You know, it was an 8-year-old video. You know, so I do want to save this paper if I can, because it's I don't want to cut through it. So bear with me while I try to get this plastic off of here. We'll get the paper out. There we go. Okay, great. So there's the paper. Great. All right, so, but again, the listing that I have for this radio is it's listed as either a 7850 or a 7900. So I'm not real sure, because there is a 7850 out there, and oh boy, okay. So we've got this stuff here that is all, oh great, oh lovely. Well, okay, so this is in the back, as I see the back. It is a 7850K. I'll let you see that in just a second here. So, it is a, before I make a mess in here, but I don't know if y'all can, see if I can just get these out without making a big mess. So there's some of the, well, I just made a mess, all right. We'll just have to run the vacuum in here, but here is the back side, if you can see in there. I didn't bring a flashlight, sorry. There it is, right? So there's that. And then, oh boy. So this, oh my gosh. This is going to be a big mess to clean up. So this does have yellow tipped whatever. Oh my God, what a mess. Okay, I'm going to definitely be doing something with the vacuum cleaner in here. Alright, well, again, when you ship these darn things, ship it in a plastic bag, please. Don't package it like this. Alright. Oh, golly. Well, so this does have, I don't know if you can see it, but these are gold. And that's the only thing that is gold, is just the piano keys. Nothing else. Everything else is silver. Okay, I hope you can see that in this bad lighting that I've got here. Well, let's just get a thing here. I already tested the power cord, so I know it's good. So just get that. It takes a standard plug. And damn, that's got things in there too. Let's see here. Good grief. Well, okay, I don't want to, well, I have to clean that out later. So there it is, got power. We flip it from, okay, this has got tape off, so radio, there's a radio. This is loose. Let's try the radio. I mean, let's try the tape player. The tape player opens, great. And will it fast forward? No, nothing. Will it do that? No, nothing. Let's see here. If we hit, that was play. If we hit rewind, nothing. Okay, so if we hit play, heads come up, cap stand is not turning, so it definitely needs a belt. Okay, and I'm going to have to run the vacuum. So that's all we know. Anyway, so this is a 7850, and this has what? This has, okay, it has the DIN styled, doesn't have RCA jack on the end, but it does have the DIN styled thing for record and playback only. It doesn't have line in like that. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just going to go get the vacuum cleaner because I can't have this stuff all over the house. What fun. Alright, well, alright. Close that back. Put this down. Got this stuff all over me. Oh man, what a mess. Okay, well, alright. So that's been my live video. Hope you enjoyed. See, I'll just get this one here. Well, no, I'll get the... I'll get... Here, let me just wave at y'all. Wave, wave, wave. What else can I wave at? Wave. Alright, bring them on camera. I'm not doing that. I don't have the bandwidth. Okay, so, alright. So, just, over here is the, for those that was asking about it the other day, this is a Panasonic RS 466S, along with a Sanyo M7900K. Okay, so I have a M7900. I saw one here the other day, right? I don't know why I have two of them, but I guess that came as a package deal because here's a Sanyo. Yeah, this is a 9930, but it doesn't have the battery cover. So, and it also doesn't have the antenna. It's been broke off, but the nub is there. So if I had a spare antenna, which I don't, okay. But anyway, so there's a complete one of those, and I also have another radio here that was similar to that. I don't know where it went to. I picked up radios and put them elsewhere and so on and so forth. What? JVC, Sony, this, that, mono radios. Well, oh, here it is. Yeah. Here we go. Get that out of the way. So here's the a 7740, right? So here's a 77. I made a video about this for sale. This works, okay? And it, yeah, this has an antenna because I ran out of antennas, so it has an antenna. All right, so, and oh yeah, this one works. Has batteries in it, I think. So yeah, that works, but I'm not here about that. Just here it is. Alright, so like I said, I've got just way too many things to do. I've got to take this thing here and do a little bit of work on it before I ship it out today, hopefully. And this was sold along with the XLC Emerson 450 TV set thing. So I no longer have that for sale. I have to go back and negotiate that. I have an online video appointment today. What else? I don't know what else I can show you about. Just hopefully the YouTube people have seen all that. Yeah, so this is just Alex Herrera, Barbara Garrison, Brown who? Brown, can't see it. Brown Breaks Brown, okay. Fan, okay, all this. All right, well, I've had too much fun. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Here, I can just take this thing, wait, can I just take the cell phone out of the grip, there we go, out of the grip, don't lose nothing. Alright, so I could go and get the camera, right, and maybe take it off the thing. I can do that without dropping it, and I'm not going to show that, but I am. Okay, great, so now I'm trying to hold the, okay, so here we go. So let me flip this around. Sorry, I'm a little jerky right now, but okay, so now I'm still recording, and I'm shooting with this. I'm holding these side by side as I just kind of, 15 minutes, right? So great, so 15 minutes, yeah, alright, well, let's see, I'm already, well, okay, so much for that, and then just take you out of here. I didn't plan to do this, never do, but it's not a very long video, so here, let me flip that on. This is where I live. Somebody asked me about something. Oh yeah, someone made a, so there's a, what is this? There's a Pioneer CT3, it works, for sale. The 700 doesn't work, not for sale. The Iowa doesn't work, it's not for sale. The Fisher 460 does work and is for sale. Sansui doesn't work, haven't worked on it yet. Neither is the, this Iowa doesn't work, not, and the parts are in the battery compartment. The Sears is for sale, it does work. Does it have power? Yeah, it has power. It's got batteries in it, but I'm not going to sit here and try to tune this, so that's got batteries in it. The Sansui doesn't work yet. This one here does work. It's been repaired, but it's expensive. It's like $800. I still need to work on it. And then the keyboard is not for sale. The Sharp is not for sale. The Sonic LPC82 is not for sale. The Toyota EA900 is not for sale. The Sharp GF7777777777 is not for sale. Okay. And then over here we've got, see, the Sharp may be sold. Got a couple of Iowas, both Iowas there. Okay. And then we've got a Prosonic, I think it is, and we've got a couple of, can't remember what those are, Conic or something, right? And then we've got a GF9696 right there next to a Hitachi 8290, I think it is. And then we've got a bunch of radios that I like that aren't for sale. And up here we've got I've got a boombox thing, so I've got that. And down here is what, another Quasar, big Quasar, a 5300 whatever, and then a, I don't know, 5025 and a 5080. And then down here we've got a couple of what are those down there? Sanyo 650s, along with two Sanyo 650s and an Iowa 880. Okay. And what else? I don't know. And we've got a bunch of Walkmans and my foot stuff, you know, for my half a foot. Okay. Alright, and that's it. So, now while I'm just doing this, I just walk. So here's the, like I said, this has been sold. Okay. That's been sold. That's a TV set thing. I'm still waiting for get parts for that thing. And here's the other similar one to it, for parts for that. I just got too many things going on here, right? So it's my work area. That's all I know. So good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. 19 minutes on that one. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, finish on that. Ending live video. Ding. Upload in HD. Hey, we started live video here. Yeah, we started live video. Okay, so hit share. Right, so that's done. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta plug it in. You got emails to answer. Never enough time to do everything in this house. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.